So I typically spend hours in the kitchen chopping and mincing and grinding ingredients to make my meals. But with this Ninja Express chop, now I can save so much time. This chopper will take your veggies and dice them for you. It will puree all your ingredients if you want. Or if you need to grind your herbs or nuts, forget the mortar and pestle because this chopper will take care of it. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So the express chopper comes in two pieces, so I expect it will be very easy to assemble. The container has a 500 ml capacity, which is 2 cups or 16 ounces. And here's the lid to keep the ingredients contained. A blade is inserted inside the container, which can also be removed. Once you pull it out, it makes it easy to clean both the blade and the container. To assemble this chopper, leave the blade inserted inside the container, then place the lid on top of the container, and then the power pod gets inserted on top. The chopper also comes with this assembly instructions as well as tips on how to use the chopper and how to clean it. So let's go ahead and test it out. Today I need to chop up some seeds really fine, so I'm just putting some nuts into the container. Once I have enough, then I insert the blade inside the container, making sure it locks into place. And then the lid goes over the container, and then I place the power pod on top of the lid, making sure to line up the power pod shaft into the hole in the center of the lid. So let's go ahead and plug this in. I'll need to bring this over to the outlet on the other side of the island. Then all we need to do is push down the top of the power pod, either with your fingers or in my case, I'm using the palm of my hand. I only need to do this for a couple of seconds and then I'm pretty much done. So let's take this back to the work area and see what we got. I'm just going to twist the power pod off, lift the lid, and here's my nuts all ground up. That was just way too easy.